Are we going?
Yeah, it's been recording. Stop.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, Dad is currently not here. He's at work, but I went to go out and check the traps, and in one of our footholds by the hog pen, we caught one of the raccoons. So I'm gonna go out there right now and take care of business. So yeah. I guess I should have said today we're using a good old 22. I'll say that down there. Here if it's shady or not. It's fine. Oh, girl, I hate this. Oh, he's just chilling. I should have a better shot of a head right here.
That was right on dead shot, girl.
I know. Okay, well, we just shot the raccoon. He's, I think, about out now. And I shot him with my good old 22, which I actually love that gun. But just so y'all know, we're not shooting animals just to shoot them. We're shooting to protect our farm animals, like our chickens and stuff, because we've had numerous counts where raccoons have tried to get our chickens. And I love raccoons personally, so we're not just shooting them just to shoot them. Okay guys, this is what we got. This little coon, I'm pretty sure, I don't think he's a full grown. I don't really know how old he is. I'm no expert, but this is what we got. He's pretty decent, like, size. Yeah, all we used for that trap was some dog food and some bacon grease. And this is the trap we used. Right here, just this simple little trap. Just put some dog food down in there, some bacon grease around, and we set this like 2 days ago and we already caught something. So yeah, I'll give this a good rating.
All right, welcome back to the channel. Today is day 3 on running the traps. Pay attention.
She's getting grumpy.
Welcome back to the channel. Day 3 on running the traps. I had to work. I'm on 2 p.m. 2 a.m. shift right now. So I get a text yesterday afternoon of a little coon in one of the footholds. So the girls had to run the traps yesterday by themselves, and this one here was able to take care of what needed to be done. And so we're so proud of her for doing. So we're only taking out a few. We're not trying just to slaughter everything out here. That's not the goal here. So anyways, I've got to go to work here soon. We're going to go check the traps real quick before I go, so that way they don't have to tend to it again. And and we'll get her story. I'm off here coming up on the next 3 days, so we'll get her story here. And I've got some video of it. I haven't seen it yet, so I don't know, how good it is. So I'm hoping we got some pretty decent video.
Probably.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think.
All right. You doing, horsey? You gonna bite it? You gonna bite it? Hmm?
There's a deer. 2, 3, 4. Oh! What is that? That's a possum. Yes. Don't they hit?
Yep.
I'm gonna give them.
All right, so we got a possum here, and that's another one to get in our chicken coop and tear things up. But we're gonna take care of that one. I don't think I brought the bait to reset the traps.
No, we didn't. We'll have to go back and get it.
So she may come back out here and reset the traps by herself. I've got to get ready for work, but we're going to get this possum taken care of. And then we've got 2 footholds and a snare we need to go check real quick. So you can, on these possums, you can get pretty close to them.
So I didn't. But I probably should have, because like we said, it had too many
All right, so we took care of the possum. I reset the foothold traps. She's gonna come back and bait them. Kind of forgot the dog food. And we're gonna go check the snares and the footholds real quick for some fox and coyotes. And then I've gotta get ready for work.
Good afternoon, guys, welcome back. I'm out here heading out to go bait the traps because Dad is at work again. And as y'all saw this morning, we had caught a possum right after, like the day after we had caught a raccoon. So that's like a huge plus, like that's great. And so now I'm out here gonna go put more dog food out. That's all we've been using for bait, some bacon grease, but I'm not going to bother with that this afternoon. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, so I got the trap set again, and whoever knew dog food could be so sticky. Okay, but yeah, so scratch that. So yeah, I just got the trap set, you know, good old dog food. And who knew dog food could be so sticky? And so we bait those tonight, and hopefully we'll have something else again soon. Because, you know, it could be a 3-day streak because we got that raccoon the first day, possum the second day. Maybe we'll get something third day.
All right, today is day 3 of trapping.
I thought it was 4. 3 or 4.
Today is day 4.
Or 3.
Today is another day of trapping.
That works best.
And I'm on my long weekend. Just finished 2 12-hour shifts on nights. And we're out here checking the traps, and we have another chicken killer. Got one more coon. We're gonna go ahead and take care of him. We'll get some video real quick. Then we're gonna run the rest of the traps, check them out, see what else we got going on. But we'll get you a quick video real quick. So he's a little, I ain't gonna go pet him or nothing. You gonna pet him?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a little upset, so I'm gonna take care of him real quick and get him out of the trap and get him reset. All right, that one's got to finish
Spazzing,
and we'll get the trap reset. And Hannah's learning a little bit more about kill shots to dispatch animals humanely. Alright, so we got some coon traps set up for her, and we got some footholds set up for the coyotes. And this will give her something to do in between her online schooling, come out here and get in the woods and mess around and just enjoy the outdoors. Teaching her about, you know, predator control. Teaching her about predator control. Teaching her about predator control. Teaching her about predator. I can get it out.
Predator.
Teaching her about predator control and just enjoying the outdoors. You know, and this is something that she can do on her own, and she can bring her friends out and to run a trap line. You know, how many 13-year-old girls do you know that has their own trap line? Yeah. Pretty fun. You know, she rides her horses out here in these woods. She, you know, her and her dogs come out here and play in these woods. They play in the creek. When her little friends come over, they just do a lot of exploring. So, you know, it's nice to be able to have your own property and do things like this. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed what we've done so far on this video. I understand not everybody agrees on what we're doing with, but you know, this is just something that we do out here in the rural areas to control predators. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.